Anliveda Yoga Series Grandmaster of Yoga. Grandmaster Lahiri Mahasaya and the Kriya Yoga. The Kriya Yoga Grandmaster Mahavatar Babaji Shyam Charan Lahiri, best known as Lahiri Mahasaya, was an Indian yogi, guru and a discipline of Kriya Yoga. His story is unusual as it is reported that he was chosen by his own non-physical guru Mahavatar Babaji, who appeared to him in 1861 requesting him to revive the yogic science of Kriya Yoga and teaching to the public after century of its guarding by masters. Furthermore, unusual of spiritual masters, Larry was married, raised a family, and even worked as government employee. He became known in the West, amongst other thought Paramahansa Yogananda's book Autobiography of a Yogi published 1946. Shyamacharan Lahiri was born on 30 September 1828 Gunri village in Bengal province and he died 26 September 1895 in Banaras, India. He was born into a Brahmin family as the youngest son. The family home was lost in flood when he was just 5 years old and the family moved to Banaras where he spent most of his life. One day, it is said, he was walking in the hills of Dongari where he heard a voice calling to him. That is when he met his Guru Mahavatar Babaji, who initiated him into the techniques of Kriya Yoga. Babaji told Harry reportedly that the rest of his life was to be given to disseminating the Kriya message. The Donagiri mountains are in the state of Uttarakhand in India. Donagiri, more preciously the Mahavatar Babaji cave there, is known as the birthplace of Kriya Yoga. As a yogic Kriya Guru, Lahiri was perceived as conscientious and understanding of his disciplines. He carefully directed them according to their natural inclinations. Kriya Yoga. The Sanskrit root of Kriya is Kiri, to do, to act and react. The same root is found in the word Karma, the natural principle of cause and effect. Kriya Yoga is thus union with the infinite through a certain action or rite. A yogic who faithfully follow its techniques is gradually freed from karma or the universal chain of causation. The Kriya Yoga system consists of a number of levels of pranayam, mantra and mudra, aiming at speeding spiritual development as well as achieving a state of tranquility. It is believed that practicing Kriya Yoga helps to purify blood and enhance it with oxygen. The central spiritual practice which Grandmaster Lahiri taught to his disciples was Kriya Yoga, a series of inner pranayam practices strengthening the spiritual growth of the practitioner. Grandmaster Lahiri taught this technique to all sincere seekers, regardless of their religious background. Mahavatar Babaji Shyam Charan Lahiri thought that if one is earning an honest living and practicing honestly, then there was no need to alter one's external life in any significant way in order to become aware of God's presence. If a student neglected his worldly duty, he could correct him. It was extremely rare for him to advise sannyasa or complete worldly unification by becoming a Swami. Instead, he advised marriage for most of his disciples. Along with Kriya Yoga practice, he thought that Kriya practice could give the yogi direct experience of truth, unlike theoretical discussion of the scriptures, and to solve all problems through meditation. The Grandmaster advice: exchange unprofitable religious speculation for actual God contact. Clear your mind of dogmatic theological debris. Let in the fresh, healing water for direct perception. Attune yourself to the active inner guidance as the divine voice has the answer to every dilemma of life. Regarding Kriya Yoga, he said, always remember that you belong to no one and no one belongs to you. Reflect that someday you will suddenly have to leave everything in this world. So make this acquaintanceship to God now. Prepare yourself for the coming astral journey of death by daily riding in the balloon of God perception. Through delusion, you are perceiving yourself as a bundle of flesh and bones, which at best is a nest of trouble. Meditate unceasingly that you may quickly behold yourself as the infinite essence, free from every form of misery. Cease being a prison of the body, using the secret key of Kriya. Learn to escape from spirit. The science of Kriya Yoga. Kriya is in essence science. Lahiri Mahasaya received it from his guru Babaji, who rediscovered and clarified the technique after it had been lost in the dark ages. Kriya Yoga is a simple psychophysiological method by which the human blood is decarbonized and recharged with oxygen. The atoms of this extra oxygen are transmuted into life current to regenerate the brain and spinal center. By stopping the accumulation of venous blood, the yogi is able to lessen or prevent the decay of tissues. The advanced yogi transmuted his cells into pure energy. Elijah, Jesus, Kabir, and other prophets were past masters in the use of Kriya or a similar technique by which they caused their bodies to dematerialize at will. The Kriya Yoga which I am giving to the world through you in this 19th century, Babaji told Lahiri Mahasaya, is a revival of the same science which Krishna gave millenniums ago to Arjuna and which was later known to Patanjali and to Christ, Saint John, Saint Paul, and other disciples.
You can download easily the yoga training books Yoga Asanam Parivar Part 1 and Part 2 from the Google Book Store. Search Anliveda books or simply Yoga Asanam Parivar. These books are based on the Maharishi Patanjali Yoga Sutras.
All other Anliveda Yoga courses are easily accessible online through mobile app, laptop, or your computer at home and internet. Anliveda Yoga inspires for online participation. www.anlivedayoga.com